Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to export your CapCut files, videos, and find them on your PC or on your MacBook. So first of all, you want to edit your video, and if you have already done that, now you want to go ahead to the top right corner and click Export. Now you will see this page and you will see where it will export to. You can also add a title. So let's add a video example. Now you will see where it exports to, and if you don't like the location, you just click right here and change it. Now for the video exporting, you can see you have to choose the resolution. So I would just leave it to 1080p because this is the best quality. Of course, you can do 2K or 4K if you want to. Now the bitrate, I would also select recommended. You can always choose higher, but as you can see, the size of the video instantly gets more, basically it gets bigger and the bigger size, but I will choose recommended. Now the codec, you want, if you are using your videos for example, YouTube or even TikTok, then you want to choose the H.264 because this is the most common compression method. And yeah, this is the option I would choose and leave if you are using it for YouTube. Now the format, you can choose MP4 or MIOV. This is MIOV because I'm on MacBook, but you can choose MP4. Now the frame rate, if your computer has a bigger frame rate, you can choose it. Now I would leave it to 30. And now for the audio, you also want to export the audio if you are using this with the sound and you want to export it with MP3. And that's basically it. After that, you click export and it will load up quite quickly because this file size is not big. And yeah, guys, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.